Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to activate and deactivate the Edge panel on the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. So open the settings, scroll down and tap on display, scroll down and toggle on the Edge panels. Now you can see this vertical line here. Just swipe to the left and you can see the Edge panel. You can manage it by tapping this pencil icon here and just move the icon to the Edge panel and it will stay there. If you want to remove it, just tap on minus icon. And now you have Edge panel always available on the right side. If you want to deactivate it, again the same procedure, Edge panels and toggle off this. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and for more videos like this, consider subscribing. Bye.